Now we're to volume of 3D figures. So right here we got volume of rectangular prism with 10 centimeter by 15 centimeter base and a height of 20 centimeters. I've already put the formula for volume. Volume equals length times width times height. So, and we're going to see this, if you're going to see a rectangular prism here, it'd be something like a tissue box or a loaf of bread or something like that. Alright, so right here we're going to find the volume of this. So volume, it's length times width times height. Length times width times height. 10 times 15 times 20. So we got 10 times 15 is 150 times 20. It's going to give me 2 times 1 plus 1. 3,000. So my volume is 3,000 centimeters cubed. And remember, volume is always cubed. Alright. Next, find the volume of the right triangular prism with 5 cm by 12 centimeter base and a height of 25 centimeters. So a triangular prism. And we looked at one of those on our last video. We got triangles. Something like that. Alright, so we're going to find the area of our base here. And we got 5 and 12 for the base and a height of 25. We know the area of the base is 1/2. And most of the time you see this, it's going to be big B times the height. And big B just means the area of the base, so that represents this right here. So we know it's volume equals 1/2 5 times 12 times the height, which is 25. Alright, let's do this first. 5 times 12 is 60. 60 divided by 2, which is 30. And then we still got to multiply 30 by 25. So we got 30 times 25. 0, 25 times 3 is 75. So that is 750. So our volume here is 750 centimeters cubed. Alright, the next one. I gotta start putting pi in here. So we're finding the volume of a right cylinder, the radius of 8. So we got a right cylinder. Alright. Then you got a right angle coming down the middle, which has a height of 12 millimeters and a radius of 8 millimeters. Alright. So in order to find the volume of this right here, and I'm going to go over surface area with you a little bit. So right here we got r squared, so we know, let's just plug it into our formula here. 3.14, radius is 8, squared, times the height of 12. All we do is plug it in. And do 8 squared is 64. Alright. 3.14 times 64. That's 16. 4, 5, 12, 0, 24, 6, 7, 8, and 18, 6, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 200.96 times 12. Alright, it's going to be 12, 19, 1, 0, 4. They brought that 12 down from up there. 0. This is a 1, we just got to type it down. 6, 9, 0, 0, 2. Add them up. 2, 15, 9, 10, 11, 1, 4, 2. We got 2 decimal places. 1, 2. That's going to give me volume equals 2,411.62 millimeters squared. Alright. Moving on to the next one. And I've already had this worked out because it's something that we'll see, but not a whole lot. It says the volume of a rectangular prism is 4,500 feet cubed. At the base is 15 feet by 30 feet. What is the height? So we know the base is length times width because it's a rectangle. So we do 15 times 30. Then we get 450. So we do 450 and divide it on both sides. Find h is 10 feet. Alright. Next, find the volume of a square pyramid with a base of 9 inches by 9 inches and a height of 15 inches. Alright. So our volume is 1/3 base times area of the base times the height. So that's going to be volume equals, let's do area of the base is 9 inches by 9 inches. So do 9 times 9, 1/3 of 9 times 9 times 15. Alright. 9 times 9 is 81. Okay. And then we can divide that by 3 if you want to right now. With all multiplication, we could have did that by 3 right there. It don't really matter. 3 into 81. 3 goes into 8. 2 times. With the 2 left over. 3 goes into 21 7 times. 27 times 15. 35. 10. 11, 12, 13. Alright. And then that's easy because you just got a 1 there. 5, 10, 2, 3, 4, 405 inches cubed. So our volume is 405 inches cubed. Okay, the next one. On the volume of a tall pyramid with a base of 3 by 7. Alright, it doesn't really say, but it says 3 by 7, so I'm going to assume as soon as it says 3 by 7 that is a rectangle with a 3 by 7. So 7 times 3, here we go, volume equals 1/3, 3 times 7 times the height of 10. Alright, so let's change the way we do this. Divide by 3. 7 times 1, 7 times 10. And our volume is 70 feet cubed. Alright, earlier I did 7 times 3 is 21, just got 7. So you see I got the same 7 either way I do it. Okay? An oblique cone has a diameter So now we're doing a cone. In the same formula, 1/3 base times height. So right here, but we're doing a cone, so we know our base on a cone is a circle. Alright? So we got 20 feet and 30 feet. So diameter 20 feet and a height of 30 feet. So we know a diameter of 20, but we know to find the area of a circle, we got to do half that, which is 10. So 20 divided by 2, which gives me a radius of 10 feet. And you all know we have to do that first. That volume equals 1/3 pi r squared, pi r squared times the height. Alright, so my r is 10 because we just found that because that's our radius. That volume equals 1/3 times 3.14 times 10 squared times 30. Alright, let's go ahead and do 10 squared first because we always got to do exponents first, which is 100 times 3.14 100 times 3.14, we got 2 zeros, 1, 2, 1, 2, which makes it 314, so we got 1/3 times 314 times 30. Go ahead and divide that by, no, let's wait, didn't do it to the end. So 314 times 30, 314 times 30, 0, 12, 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4, 9, 10. Alright, so we got 1, 0, 4, 2, 0, divided by 3, because we can't forget about our 1/3. Divided by 3, that's going to be 3, 9, 1, 4, 4, 12, 2, 2, 7, 7, you bring down our 0, it's going to be 3, and we're going to keep getting a 1 and 0, so it's going to be our volume here is going to be 3,473.3 repeating feet cubed. Alright. Alright, find the volume nearest 10th of the cone, so we're doing a cone again with a radius of 18 millimeters and a height of 36. I want you guys to try this one. See if you can do it. This is probably one of the more difficult ones because you got a circle and you got to divide by 3 and all that. So you guys try that one. And that's all.